A pre-owned 2018 Ford Fusion Hybrid. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.